Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you're all doing really well. Make sure you are all super cozy. It's currently raining right now and I am living for it. I love it. I think it's so cozy and like you can light your candles, you can relax. I just think it's quite soothing, especially when there's like no telly on and you just hear the rain. Am I a weirdo? But I think it's so nice. Is it just me? I don't know. So in today's video I really wanted to focus on the eyes and I wanted to do an easy transitional day to night makeup look, but I did want it to be autumn/fall themed. So I've tried to use very autumnal colours and I am very happy with it. So just a disclaimer, this video is really kindly sponsored by Essence and I wanted to show you guys their Epic Sunset palette, which looks like this, and it's just incredible. It's so beautiful, so versatile. I'll go into detail in the video, but it's just such a lovely palette and I wanted to show you that palettes like this shouldn't scare you off because you can use them for so many different looks, from day to night makeup look, and I did want to create this look just for like a going out sort of autumnal sort of theme as well. So yeah, I'm so excited to show you guys this. It's been an honour to work with Essence. I'm so excited about this collaboration and I hope you guys are too. Like always, I will leave all the products and stuff that I show you guys in the description box down below, so make sure you check that after the video. But yeah, if you want to know how to get this look and also the really simple day look, then please keep watching. So this is the amazing Epic Sunset palette by Essence. The colours are all inspired by a beautiful sunset. We've got matte, shimmers and metallic shades. They are all absolutely stunning. I am obsessed. So for my day makeup, I'm going to use Lightness of Day on my lid first. This is such an insane shadow. It is so pigmented, so creamy as you can see, and it works unreal underneath sort of the base of your eyeshadows. It's incredible. I'm then going to use In the Clouds. This is a beautiful matte mauvey shade and this works perfectly just as an everyday look. Personally, I like to have some sort of look on my eyes, even if it is everyday. I like to just have a matte sort of very neutral shade, so that worked really well. I'm then going to use Gold Spark. As you can see by my reaction, it is very pigmented and I'm going to use this in my tear duct and brow bone, and this is just going to open my eyes. I'm then going to use their insane mascara, which I will also pop down below for you guys, and I wanted to show you guys the difference in mascara. As you can see, I do have a couple of individual lashes left, but it still made such a difference to them when I applied it, and it's honestly insane. So yeah, this mascara is definitely one of my favourites at the moment. I then wanted to use Golden Spark as highlighter as well. I feel like when you match the highlighter in your tear duct to the one that you wear on your brow bone, it just makes your makeup look all come together, and as you can see, it's so pigmented, really buildable and absolutely stunning. So yeah, I love that. I'm then just going to line my lips with a nude lip liner because I have to line my lips because my Cupid's bow just disappears, and then I'm going to use their beautiful, it's just insane, their beautiful lipstick. I will leave the shade and links, like I said, down below for you guys, but it's absolutely stunning and it's so creamy and nourishing. Oh, I love it. So yeah, this is the everyday makeup that I created using their products. It's just so simple and easy to do and I love how it turned out. So it's now time to zoom you guys in and we are going to create the night look. I wanted this to be very smoky, but also I wanted to add the autumnal touch to it as well. So I'm going to start off with the shade Darkness of Night, which is this beautiful dark brown bronzy colour, and it is very buildable and it just blends out like a dream. It's honestly insane. I absolutely love this. And then we're going to use the shade Zola Flare, which is this insane burnt orange colour, and as you can see, it is ridiculously pigmented. So I like to use my finger for any shimmers. I feel like that's when you get the best pigment, and I wanted this to be all over my lid, and then I wanted to blend it into my transition as well. So yeah, I'm obsessed with this eyeshadow. It's so simple and easy to do. It's just insane. And then I'm going to use the shade Heat, which is more of a burnt red, and I'm going to add this to my crease just to make it a little bit more autumnal, a bit more burn, and just to blend in a bit more better with the burnt orange shade. So yeah, as you can see, I'm going to do exactly the same on the other eye too. I'm also just going to go back in with the shade Heat with a smaller compact brush and then pop this on my lower lash line just to blend all the shades together really, really nicely. Honestly, it's so pigmented and it just makes your life so much easier when it comes to doing shadow. I'm then just going to pop on a little bit of liner just to line my lash line because it is a night out makeup look. I don't want to take away the attention from the shadow, but I just wanted to do a little thin line just so it's a bit more dramatic for the evening look. Just so you know, this palette retails for £10 and it's stocked at Wilko as well as Feel Unique. So yeah, it's so amazing. Again, I will leave everything down below. I'm going to go back in with the mascara and just pop a lot more on than I did before. I feel like a lot more layers help when it does come to night out looks. So yeah, that's what I done. And then for lips, I am going to use the same lipstick I was using before. But this time, you guys, I've got a little trick for you, which I was very surprised about, and I'm really, really, really happy with how it turned out. So when you've applied the lipstick, you are then going to go back in with Lightness of Day, which is the eyeshadow, and I just pop this on after. So using an eyeshadow like this, it's lighter, so it's going to make the actual lipstick lighter, but it's also going to mattify it. So I just thought that's a little tip for you guys. You can also use any like shimmer shades on it. I feel like all of the shimmer shades would look amazing. So yeah, that's what I done, and just got a nude liner and went over again. So this is the night look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I honestly had so much fun creating these looks for you. And like I said, everything will be in the description box down below for you guys. So everyone, this is the final result for my night out makeup look. I absolutely love it, and as you can see, I've used quite like burnt orangey sort of tones, and I love them. I absolutely love them, and I think it's just, it fits this season so well. So I hope you guys love this palette as much as I do. This is such an ideal palette, especially for all year round, and you can create so many different looks with it, like Christmas looks, and then you've got your summer looks, autumn looks, you've got everything in here. So it's literally perfect, and it's honestly so pigmented, it's crazy. I remember when I first tried it about 3 weeks ago, I was just in shock with the pigmentation, and with brands like this that I've never properly dropped it on the floor. With brands like this, I'm always like, oh, is it going to be as pigmented as I like? And this, honestly, I was in shock. When I first swatched it, I was like, wow, I love this brand already. So it's just amazing to work with brands that I genuinely love, and this is going in my everyday makeup drawer, sure. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Like always, I will leave the links where you can shop this and the other products that I've used in the description box down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!